How's it going, everybody? It's been a little while. I haven't made a YouTube video in months. I've seen your messages, I've seen you on Facebook, I've seen you on Instagram, I've seen you in the comment section of my YouTube videos, and I get it. Mike, you got over 10,000 subscribers, you've had videos that have had 15,000 views. Why are you not making more content? And I'm here to explain it to you guys, and it's pretty easy to explain, very simple. The reason is, I'm an investor first. I'm an investor, not a YouTuber. Now, I know that during the course of me having this YouTube channel over the last 7 or 8 years, there's been times where I've dropped videos every single week and been very consistent with uploading. And there's been times where it's been months in between making something. And you might be wondering to yourself, well, why does that matter? Who cares? We only come here for real estate content. But that's actually why it's important. You see so many modern day real estate gurus, the people who provide financial information or financial education or real estate investing education online, they're not investors first. They're YouTubers first. They're people who want to sell you courses first. They're people who just want to get you to join their masterminds, join their groups, buy their program, and then share their content. They don't actually care about doing the hard work of being a good investor. Now, obviously, there are some notable exceptions to this accusation. First of whom would be my friend Michael Zuber, author of the book One Rental at a Time, Dion from the YouTube channel Dion Talk Financial Freedom, or the Lumberjack, of course, from the Lumberjack Landlord. There's people who became highly successful investing in real estate, retired, and now use some of their free time to make YouTube videos. And then there's the entire group of people whose sole purpose is to create content to push you towards products, pretending that they're expert real estate investors or living off of yesterday's successes, but they never really made it as big in real estate as they claimed they did. They very quickly figured out it was cheaper and easier to just sell courses and books and programs than it was to actually be good at investing. So again, you ask me, why haven't you made a video in a while, Mike? Well, the answer is really simple. Because I don't give a damn about YouTube. And that's not an insult to you. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to say I don't appreciate that I've got all of these subscribers and people who watch my content and people who like and leave comments. I do. I really, really appreciate all of you guys. But my goal is not to be a successful YouTuber first. My goal is to be a successful real estate investor. That's what I want to be good at. Well, that and being a great father and being a good boyfriend or husband one day, family, health and fitness, relationships, investing, and then YouTube influencer. On the hierarchy of things, it's way down at the bottom. Now, a little personal housekeeping for myself. A lot of you who maybe know me a little bit better than just through YouTube might know that this year I got promoted. So I went from being a regular police officer to being a supervisor, a sergeant. And I used to have all of the seniority necessary to be on day shift. Oh, God bless day shift. Lovely day shift, where the most exciting thing that happened, other than the occasional drive-by, was a couple of crashes. Go out there, handle a crash. Very nice and easy day shift. Stop a couple of people for speeding. Hey, stop doing that. Very easy day shift. But I was foolish enough. I know what Dion means when he says he got promoted all the way, or he got demoted all the way down to president of the company. I've been demoted to supervisor. Now I have no seniority. I'm back to night shift in the busiest section of the entire agency I work for, with the largest crew to supervise in the entire agency I work for, with guys who have almost no time on. So there's a bunch of problems, a bunch of dangerous things, more 911 calls, more chaos, more just everything bad that can happen. And I have to work in the middle of the night, so my sleep schedule is screwed. And then when I finally get home and go to bed, I got to try to get up, get my son off to school, sleep a little bit while he's at school, still wake up, make it to the gym in time because I want to make sure I keep my fitness up so I don't get killed. I have a job where people try to kill me. And so what essentially happened was, with working all of this new job, this new promotion, I had to let something slip through the cracks. I had to let something go that I was previously able to handle, but now with my new job and the new sleep schedule, my new responsibilities, I had to let something slide. And what I chose was you guys. No offense, I love you all very much. Again, I really do appreciate the support over the years. But when it came to, am I gonna not do a good job at work where I still need my job? Well, no. Am I going to let my health and fitness slip and slide? Hell no. I'm on a SWAT team. I get shot at. People try to fight with me. I need to be in good shape. I play soccer. I play basketball. I go to the gym. I coach my son's soccer team. Am I going to give up time with my kid? No, of course not. None of you would want that for me, nor would I want it for myself. And as much as I hate to say it, Dion's been calling me out just a little bit. Well, what's this new chick you've been talking to? Is she monopolizing your time? Hold on, Dion. She lives in Florida. All right. And yes, I spent some time on the phone with her. Yes, she's come up to visit me. I've gone to visit her a couple of different times. No, she's not taking my day-to-day time away from YouTube. Really what it is I got to sleep. I got to spend time with my kid. I got to go to the gym. But yes, trying to make sure that I do give her a little bit of attention because I know women like that crap. Don't ask me. But ultimately, when it came down to it, the amount of time I was spending on YouTube, it just isn't easy to keep that up consistently. I needed to prioritize the actual investing side. Now, let me get back to what has gone on in the last year that since I've been promoted in February of 2024 to where I'm at right now. Well, in the last year, I bought 11 units at the beginning of this year. I've remodeled 6 of them and rented them out. I've got a couple more that are still waiting to be rented out but have been remodeled. Dude, I'm starting to really feel the benefit and effects of having a bunch of rental properties. And I've been investing in real estate for 6 years now. Within 3 weeks from now, it will be my 6-year anniversary. I'm bringing in $15,000 a month in rent pretty consistently. Now, that's not profit. Profit is probably closer to about $7,000. And I've talked about that number earlier. Actually, no, it's more than that. It's probably more like $8,000 or $9,000 now. Yeah, no, I'm bringing in about $9,000 a month in profit. It's looking really good. All of these units pay for themselves. Some of them I own outright. Some of them I have mortgage payments that are tiny. I've been able to add value add, do equity, all these different things I've been able to do. I just haven't been able to talk to you guys as much about it. And that brings me to another problem. People reach out to me on Instagram, and I feel bad because, I open up Instagram and I have 50 messages. And I'll go through, like if I'm working an overtime shift and it's just a cheesy overtime shift where I'm kind of just sitting in a car with my lights on. I'll start answering messages. Answer. I'm like, all right, awesome. I made it through all 50. Perfect. Go to bed, wake up the next day. Everybody responded, which I'm so happy for. Thank you. So I love hearing from you guys, but I'm like, fudge, bro. I can't get back to everybody. I just don't have the time. And so anyways, I wanted to make this video. I'm going to make a couple more. I'm going to talk to you guys about what I did on my birthday. I'm going to talk to you guys about how much ridiculous amounts of overtime I've been working. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about the portfolio update. I'm going to talk to you more about what I have in plan for 2025. But ultimately what it comes down to is there's just only so much time. And I only have so much ability to focus on so many different things. So why have I not been making videos? It's not because I haven't been being successful. It's not because I've had a bunch of problems or I'm sick. Some people reach out to me, are you okay? Are you injured? What happened? Did you get hurt at work? I recognize that given the job I have, I probably should check in a little more frequently because some of you guys might wonder, oh, he always jokes about getting shot. Did he actually? No. Haven't been shot, haven't been stabbed. Moderate death threats only, and half of those were from dudes cuffed in the back of my car, so I didn't take it too seriously. Don't tell that to the judge. To the judge, I'm like, well, this guy, I don't know, judge. He seems pretty crazy to me. So, anyways, appreciate you guys, as always, for watching. I really do love the support. It means so much to me. Please don't stop leaving comments. Don't stop liking the videos. Don't stop watching the videos, and don't stop reaching out to me on Instagram. I love hearing from you guys. I want to be there for you when I make it to retirement. When I make it to financial freedom, I will reclaim 50 to 60 hours a week and have a better sleep schedule. And, I might get married, so that might help my life as well. But I'll be able to interact more in another year or two than I am right now. So this is the best you guys are going to get from me. And remember, at the end of the day, as much as I love making videos and I love creating content and I love creating a community, my Gary, Indiana Facebook page has like over 1,000 members now. Google it, join it. I'd love to have you there. As much as I love doing all of this, man, I love my kid more. I love my job more. Moderately. Do I love my job more than YouTube? It's more important. I'll give you that. It's more important. Time with a girlfriend, more important. Time with my kid, more important. And so that's where my priorities are. But I promise you, I will still keep making videos. I'll go back and make some of the videos on the rental properties that I've purchased that I haven't been able to give you a deep dive on yet. And I'll give you an update on what my portfolio is doing, what my cash flow is like. I love to hear from you guys, and I really do appreciate the support. As always, I appreciate you so much for watching. And until next time, we'll catch you later.